So I'm going to be making use of my voice for this section, and we are going to be making use of two apps for this section. So I'm making use of the PhotoRoom and KineMaster. So this is the PhotoRoom. I'm going to pick a photo that I want to use as my product. So you can snap your product also. So I'm making use of this shoe. Immediately I tap on that, it's going to remove the background. Make sure your data is on. So pick transparent, then I'll add on to the icon up there. Tap the icon up there. Then maybe later and save to gallery. So it's going to automatically save to gallery. Then add on to KineMaster and create. Now we are going to click on create. So you can pick any aspect ratio you want. So for this course, I'm going to pick in the first one. So after picking that, you're going to pick the image asset. And I'm going to pick in the white image asset here to use. So after picking that, I'm going to add on to image media, sorry. So I'm going to pick the photo we just removed the background now. So for the purpose of this course, I won't want the watermark to show. That's why I'm going to use my two thumbs to enlarge the image there. So after successfully doing that, I'll pick the in animation. So I'm going to pick how I want my product to come in. So I'm picking the slide up option there. So as you can see, so I'm going to add on to media again and pick text. So I'll type in my price tag, which is 3,000, and okay. And I'm going to pick an animation, but before doing that, I'm going to pick a font that I want to use. So I'm picking the Roboto bold. So after doing that, I'm going to enlarge it, then change the color to black so it can show on my video. So I'm going to add on to in animation also to change the animation and change how I want it to come in. So I'm going to pick the same thing as my product. So this is a simple approach to product advertisement rather, using KineMaster. So that's just a straightforward. Boom, then you're done. So after doing this, we need to download our project. So just go up there. So you can rinse and repeat this if you have like 3 to 4 products that you want to advertise. So that's the reason why I extended the footage up there. So you save your project and boom, you're done. Thank you. See you in the next class.